Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. What happens if you forget your Tesla key fob or keycard? Is Tesla's app a foolproof alternative to start your EV? In this video, my experience at the Sheraton Hotel will show you that there is a risk of lockout if you rely on the Tesla app. So occasionally I will find that I don't have my Model S key fob with me, and that's what happened in this video on Saturday. The good thing about Tesla is that the Tesla app on my iPhone can connect with my car toothless, and so I can unlock and start the car with the app. You just press the lock icon to unlock the car, and once inside, press controls to bring up the control menu, then press start, and you will have 2 minutes to press the brake pedal to start your Tesla. Here you can see my residential car park is in the basement and the network is just okay but not great. However, it is enough to allow my phone to connect with and control my Tesla.
I've got to start the car as well.
The key point here is connectivity. Without a key fob or key card, you need adequate connectivity for your iPhone and also for your Tesla. So after running errands on Saturday, I ended up having a late lunch at the Sheraton Hotel in Chongqing, which is near Hong Kong International Airport. I parked toothless in the hotel's basement car park. In the car park, I parked by the charging bays and wanted to explore the EV chargers. Looking around, there are no other EV chargers in the Sheraton car park, only the BMW branded EV chargers.
325. There's the chargers.
Also, BMW charges for these EV chargers. In fact, starting this year, 2024, many EV chargers in Hong Kong are no longer free. I guess Hong Kong EV owners have been spoilt in recent years with so many free EV chargers available to them. But times are changing, and with many more EVs in Hong Kong, service providers are dialing back the sweeteners to encourage people to transition to owning EVs. Many car parks no longer provide free EV chargers. And that's why you should watch my videos, because I will tell you where to find these free EV chargers in Hong Kong. Tung Chung Street is one great example because there are over 60 EV chargers there and they are all free. Please check out my video to Tung Chung Street. Back to the Sheraton's basement car park.
To start. Oh no, I've got no connection.
I noticed that my phone had no network and realized that Toothless had no connectivity too. Remember the key point, connectivity? But since I had parked and then could not get connectivity on my phone, I figured I would at least get connectivity upstairs in the hotel. But even at ground level with phone connectivity, I couldn't connect back with Toothless using the Tesla app. That's because Toothless had no connectivity. In cases like this, it is where the car is parked that is important. If you park somewhere with no or low connectivity, then your car's antenna would not be able to connect to the network and hence to your phone. So Sheraton's basement car park is a dangerous place to park if you rely on the Tesla app and not the key fob or key card. Toothless, my Tesla Model S was stuck in the Sheraton. So what could I do? I did think about calling Tesla, but then thought all they could do is move Toothless out of the car park to regain connectivity. But this would involve a flatbed tow truck, which may not be able to enter underground car parks. The best thing to do for me was just go home and get my key fob. This would be a slight inconvenience, taking a few hours, but at least it would not involve other parties like Tesla roadside service or tow trucks. And so that's my video about relying on the Tesla app to connect with your car. If you enter a place with no or low connectivity, there is a risk that you will not be able to connect with your car and drive off. You will be left stranded, just like I was at the Sheraton Hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share your comments below and stay safe.